T-minus 2 days heading to Korea for the 2018 Winter Olympics in PyeongChang. And this is just one of 2 videos of the stuff I'm packing. And this is all gonna go in my backpack, which will be my carry-on for the trip. I'm just gonna go through each of the items and explain why I'm bringing them, why it's important to bring them. First, I'm gonna start with the portfolio there. That's got passport, tickets for the events, but also the opening ceremony, and just a couple pens and something to write on. Next is a pair of regular headphones for the trip over, and then a actual book. And I'll move over to the Kindle, which I've got a couple very long books to read while on the plane. Continue with the electronics. I got a laptop, which I'll upload these videos with, and otherwise keep in touch with people. I've got my universal power adapter. This one I bought a while ago, but it doesn't seem to get very good reviews, so I bought a second one that's supposed to get here tomorrow. Hopefully it does before I leave. Power adapter for the laptop. I actually just bought these. They're wireless headphones. Actually, I think I got them on my desk over there, but extra, just the little ear contour things, regular little earplugs. Focus. I had them over here. They were charging. Got wireless earbuds. Came in yesterday. Not the greatest sound, but they're convenient and they sound good enough to last me through a plane ride. Supposedly you get between 8 and 12 hours. Then we got 2 battery packs. I believe this one is 12,000 milliamp hours, and this one's close to like 20. This will charge my phone 3 times. This will go maybe 4 or 5 times. Just a little sleeve for the laptop. That's pretty much it for electronics. What I like to do with my carry-on is carry anything that I'm gonna need for an extra day or 2 in case luggage gets lost, I miss a flight, or any sort of circumstance. Starting off, and Comet's gonna check us out here. Starting off, we got just a nice hat, heavy-duty gloves, an extra pair of clothes, including a flannel, some long underwear, and regular underwear, a thermal, and an undershirt, and then some travel pants. These are great. Just bought them. They don't really wrinkle at all. They'll flatten out once you wear them. Those can last you a few days. And then some nice thick socks that Comet seems to take an interest in. And then these little guys here, handkerchief. I heard that was a good idea to bring one. And then I've got a couple neck sleeve type things for when it's really cold. And then, let's see, first aid kit, just a small one, mostly bandages and some like antiseptic and alcohol pads, stuff like that, a pair of tweezers. Just a really basic thing in case of emergencies. A couple more pens. You can never have enough pens. You saw the Kindle there. And I got this nice neck pillow. Let's see if I can camera down. Open this guy up. This is like the deluxe version. It comes with some earplugs. Nice little addition. And this nice thick, get a good angle, thick neck pillow. Reasonably stiff there, but the key to a good neck pillow is to be able to hook it in the middle so that when it's around your neck hits here, you're not just drooping onto your chest. That's the key to a good neck pillow. Make sure you take one of those with you anytime you're on a plane or driving long distance. And then here is backpack. I love this thing. It's kind of a miniature backpacking pack. It's got little fly straps here to tuck around you if what you're carrying is heavy. All this stuff together is not too heavy, so I'm not too worried about it. But if you're carrying like a tent or something, it's great. And it's got the little middle strap. You can add a little camelback there. But what I use the camelback area for right here is for the laptop and the portfolio, because it's a nice flat surface for all that to lie on. And another great thing about this is you can unzip it from the bottom. So for instance, I keep the clothes at the bottom of the pack because hopefully I won't have to use them. You can get real quick access to that if you need to change. So that's nice too. And it's got all sorts of like attachments. I got a carabiner there, lots of pockets. I keep my electronics that I need quick access to on the outside, and then the other electronics on the inside. Like, I'm not going to need the laptop charging plug while I'm in the airport, because the laptop lasts like 8 or 9 hours. So I'll put that in there. I'll put one of the battery packs in there. And anything I'm not going to need right away, like maybe the earplugs or something like that, the power converter. So basically that's my carry-on bag. It all fits in there. The one last thing I'm not going to go over or show is just the toiletries bag. Pretty sure most people can put together a toiletries bag by themselves, hopefully. So that's what I'll be bringing through the airport. One tip is I use this backpack for hiking and fishing and stuff, so make sure you go through all the pockets once, make sure you don't have any knives or anything that they might take out during security, and then also had to take out kind of a longer pair of scissors that was in the first aid kit. But that's generally it. There's a few more things, actually, now that I think about it. Any of your charging ports and cords, you want to bring those too, but I think that's about it. So I'll make a second video with some of my clothing choices. PyeongChang, I didn't realize months ago, but apparently it's a very cold place during the winter. Pretty similar to like Chicago weather. It seems like the 20s most of the time, dipping down to the single digits, and looked like we're gonna get some 40-degree days, but not many. So that's the reason for all the layers, and you'll see more of that in the clothes, not the carry-on, the luggage video, I guess. But that's it for this video.